Here's the truth. Starting an LLC can sound like a daunting task, but there's actually only a few steps, and if you need help, a trusted partner like GoDaddy is there for you to help provide assistance along the way. Let's walk through the 5 steps needed to complete your LLC. And trust me, your future self will thank you for this. So what's an LLC anyway? Limited Liability Company. Fancy name, simple concept. It's basically a legal wall between your personal life and your business. So if things go sideways with your company, your house, your car, your personal bank account, they're all protected. That's huge. Plus, you've got options. Flying solo? Single-member LLC is the right one for you. Got a business partner? Then multi-member LLC is the best solution. All right, let's get into the 5 steps. Step 1. Pick your business name. Make sure it's not already taken in your state, and avoid words like bank or trust unless that's actually what you do. Pro tip: grab the matching domain name right away with GoDaddy. Protect that brand. Step 2. Get a registered agent. This is the person or service that handles your legal mail and official documents. They need a physical address in your state. Step 3. File your articles of organization. Sounds official because it is. This is the document that makes your LLC real in the eyes of your state. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Look, even if your state doesn't make you do this, do it anyway. It spells out who owns what, who does what, and how you split the money. It'll save you so many arguments down the road. Step 5. Get your EIN from the IRS. It's quick and easy, and a partner like GoDaddy can help streamline that even further. You will need it for pretty much everything: bank accounts, taxes, hiring people. It's basically your business's social security number. Now let's talk money. Depending on where you're filing, your state will charge you anywhere from $50 to $500 just for your state filing fee. And there are additional annual fees to stay compliant, including paying your registered agent. Yeah, it costs something, but the protection and legitimacy you get, totally worth it. Ready to make this happen? At GoDaddy, we have an LLC setup service to get you going in no time. Stop overthinking it. Let's build this business. You've got this.